everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new, and today I'm gonna talk about my recent Amazon purchases. I know it's kind of like a random topic, but I feel like somebody's Amazon purchase history is a very personal thing, and it'll give you like a really good look into what's going on in their life recently. So I guess this is like a little bit of what I've been up to, like hobby-wise, or like whatever. Stuff that I got on Amazon recently. So my most recent purchase was this phone case. I used to not like to admit that my favorite color was pink because I thought it was too girly. In the past couple of years, I've just accepted that I'm a girly girl. I like pink, I like makeup, I like clothes. I don't care anymore. I don't know why I wanted to fit in so bad. When I was 8, I said my favorite color was black. By no means was that true. I just said it. My previous one that I barely got like a couple months ago, it was just getting all scuffed up and it was starting to look a little bit old. So I thought it was time to get a new phone case. Of course, I still got it in pink. And I also got this ID card holder. It also came in white and black. And I used the pink one for my pink phone case. Even though it's not the exact same shade of pink, but I still think it's kind of cute, honestly. I need my student ID to go into the gym at school, and it was just a lot of work trying to fish this out every time I went to the gym. So now that it's attached to my phone, I feel like my life will be a lot easier now. I felt like I needed a card holder, then I felt like maybe I should get a new case, and I was like, might as well get some new tempered glass screen protectors because I ran out of those and I was using like a matte like sticker. It was just like a really thin sticker that you just stuck onto the surface. I have an iPhone 5S, and to a lot of people that's like crazy. I don't know why. I mean, yeah, it came out like 10 years ago, but like still. I always believe that like if it's not broken, you don't really need to go replace it. Wow, I am such a hypocrite. Like literally this phone case was just like a little bit dingy and I just got a new one. But I mean, to be fair, the phone case is like $5. So recently I got this polygel nail kit from Macart. I did a whole video in which I tried them for the first time. I did these are polygels, and I actually really like them. I definitely go more in depth with explaining everything and like showing you everything inside in the previous video that I did, so check that out if you want. It looks like this on the inside. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors that you can use. It comes with like a little picker and brush and top coat, base coat. So everything that you really need, except for the slip solution, but you can just use rubbing alcohol. I'm actually really happy with the nails that I did and really happy with the purchase that I made. So yeah, that was a good purchase. I guess recently I've just been more into doing my own nails, and I realized that I don't really like it when other people touch my nails. Even like when they're giving me a manicure, I just don't like being touched by other people. I just like things a certain way. If you're a Virgo, you understand. I don't like it when people touch my hands or my hair or my face. Like I just don't like it. Ugh. So recently I got a bunch of new nail stuff, and one of which is this cuticle oil. Like I've never ever had cuticle oil before. I've never used cuticle oil before. I don't know why I felt like I needed this. Oh, well, I guess it's because I was doing these polygel nails. I feel like it's good to use, especially after you give yourself a manicure that's like really rough on your nails. I feel like it's really good to use. I think I was really attracted to the packaging because it's like a ball. It's literally a ball, and I just thought that was really cute. It actually smells really good. It smells like my body wash. My body wash is also pomegranate scented, so it just comes with a little dropper, and you just drop this onto your cuticles and you just rub it in, and that's basically it. And continuing on with the nail stuff, when I decide like on a new hobby, I just like get really into it and just like buy a bunch of stuff. I haven't really needed to use it yet, so it comes with a bunch of drill bits. Here's the drill itself. It's nice and pink, my favorite color, duh. And yeah, I think next time I do polygel nails, like really thick, and I feel like I need to file them down, I think this will be really helpful to have. I mean, if you ever get like acrylics at the salon and you want to like file them down yourself, I think this would be like really good to have instead of having to go back to the salon like every time just to have them remove it for you, or file it down a little bit thinner if you wanted to. More nail stuff. So this was only like $2. If you've ever had like acrylic nails, then you know that they're freaking thick as frick. My nails are quite thin because I deliberately did them that way, but if you go to a salon and you ask them to do acrylic nails for you, they're gonna be like really thick. So this is really good for trimming them down by yourself if you want to do your nails at home. So recently I went to Universal Studios with my boyfriend's family, and I didn't have a fanny pack. And I just feel like I find myself in a lot of situations in which I'm like, I feel like my life would be a lot easier if I had a fanny pack right now. This was the only fanny pack that I had before, and it's like tiny. You can basically only like fit your phone and maybe like keys in it. And it also says Train Insane on it in bright neon letters, and I'm like, well, but that doesn't go with anything. So I definitely feel like this was a good purchase. My mom has one just like this, so I definitely think I'm turning into my mom. I think I'm starting to dress like her and like act like her. Oh god. My sister also has one, and she was like, yeah, you should get a fanny pack, it's pretty useful. And I'm like, well, do you use it a lot? And she's like, no, I don't go anywhere. Another thing I got was this blue resistance band. I really like incorporating resistance bands into my workouts. Adding resistance bands to my training actually helps me spice it up a little bit after I've been doing the same thing for a while, so it's just kind of fun adding in a band once in a while. So I got this body analyzer scale. It's actually really cool. I'll post a screenshot here of all the stuff that I can tell you. You basically just have to take off your socks and just step on the metal parts with your feet. And all this time, like, I never knew what my body fat percentage was. Now I can finally know. Next thing on this list is this elastic thread. It's just basically normal thread, but it's stretchy. And honestly, to be completely honest with you, I did not know this existed until like really recently. People usually use elastic thread in their sewing machine to do this technique called shirring. I actually made a video recently on how I made my own shirred tube top, and it's just that really cute texture where it's like really stretchy. I totally used up my first spool of elastic thread, so I just went ahead and got a new one so I can make more shirred tube tops. So yeah, I've been really into sewing my own stuff recently. Elastic thread definitely helps me with upcycling old clothes. Ever since I went dark again, I got this dark dry shampoo because when I was blonde, dry shampoo was my best friend, but now I'm not blonde anymore and now it's my worst enemy. So they added some dark color to this dry shampoo, but honestly, I hate it. I hate it so much. Yeah, it leaves like this brown residue on my fingers every time I like try to rub it in. Also, if you're wondering why I didn't stay blonde, it was because I really effed up my roots and there was no way to fix it, so I had no other choice. And also, this random dude came up to me and said that my hair reminded him of an anime character, and I'm like, nope, that's it for me. So yeah, I mean, I like being brunette again, but dry shampoo, man, just not working. Okay, so this next one is actually kind of funny. Me and Josh went to the arcade and we ended up getting only enough points to get like one candy, so we got a Nerds rope, and I had never tried these before. I've tried Nerds and I've tried various gummy candies, but I didn't know these existed. It's actually really freaking good, but after you've had like 20, like, I'm pretty sick of these already. So yeah, I got like a pack of 24 on Amazon because I didn't know where else to get it. Like, I feel like you can't find these in like a regular grocery store. Ever since I've started my fitness journey, I feel like my one biggest weakness has been candy, so yeah, but it's okay to treat yourself once in a while. And I also got these stationery papers. I really like receiving a letter written on pretty stationery, so I thought I would do the same for people that I write letters for, like for birthdays and like Christmas or whatever. Also comes with this one sheet of stickers that says especially for you, so you can seal your envelopes in a very fancy manner. Also, I got these fake bangs lately because at some point this summer I kind of felt like I wanted bangs, but I don't think that would have been a good choice because they would have been in my eyes all the time. So I decided to get these fake ones, and at the time my hair was still jet black and it hadn't faded to this brown quite yet, so I dyed this hairpiece jet black. And now my hair's brown and this is still jet black, so I haven't really been able to wear it recently. Also, it's like crazily curled right now because I've just been putting it in this plastic bag, but every time I do wear them I make sure to shampoo them, and then I like straighten them out into what I want them to look like. A picture of me wearing them right here has a little clip at the top, and then you just clip it and clip it. Yeah, this is not how they're supposed to look because I haven't like straightened them out, but I do make it a point to wash them every time just to like keep them clean, and also it gives me a chance to like reshape them into a shape that I want so that they cooperate with me. And it also came in this really cute box. It's 100% real hair, which is why I was able to dye it and also straighten it and just like do a bunch of stuff that you could do to regular hair with it. I'm planning on going jet black again so that I can match these bangs. The next thing is this detangling brush. I have a lot of hair, so it's a challenge brushing through my hair sometimes, especially when I wake up in the morning and it's just like been slept on all night. Like, it's a really big challenge and it hurts. And I didn't think that this was going to feel that much different than like my regular brush that I have hanging here in the background of all my videos. But it's actually quite different. For those of you who don't know what is so special about a detangling brush, I'm not sure I can explain it, but basically the bristles of the brush are a lot more flexible and they are at different levels. So I feel like it's overall like a lot gentler on your hair, and I definitely feel like it's more gentle on my hair than regular brushes. So yeah, I've only been using this because I feel like it tears out a lot less also. So yeah, pretty good.